This time we're supposed to find the cube root of the complex number expressed in polar form. What we're supposed to do first, we're supposed to convert the radical to power. Okay, so I'm going to have 74.5 and angle of negative 128.3 degrees to power 1/3. Next, we're supposed to apply the theorem. First, I'm going to find maximum value of k. So if k is equal p minus 1. My p is the denominator of the fractional exponent. So if 3 minus 1 is equal 2. So this is the maximum value of k which I'm going to apply to this formula. So means I have to solve this formula for following values of k: 0, 1, 2. 2 is the maximum one. So I have 74.5 raised to power 1/3. According to the formula, the magnitude has to be raised to the power. And I have angle. So exponent has to be multiplied by the sum of the angle theta and the product of 360 degrees times k. So I have 1/3 times my angle theta, which is equal to negative 128.3 degrees plus 360 degrees times 0. This is my first value of k. This is equal cube root of 74.5 is equal 4.2. Of course, you're supposed to use the calculator to do so. And we have angle 1/3 times negative 128.3 degrees is equal negative 42.76 degrees. So this is the first answer to my problem. I can say this is my first root. If you want to find the second root, simply copy down this magnitude and we have 4.2 and perform the calculations. 1/3 negative 128.3 degrees plus 360 degrees, and this time value of k is equal 1. This is equal 4.2 and I have angle of 77.23. 77.23 degrees. Okay, so what I did, I simply copied down the magnitude and performed the operations and I obtained this angle. Next, if you want to find the third root, because we're supposed to have 3 of them, so I have 4.2, magnitude is going to be always the same, and I have angle 1/3 open parenthesis negative 128.3 degrees plus 360 degrees times 2. So I have 4.2 and angle of 197.23 degrees. And I can say that these 3 roots are the solutions to my problem.